leader Rahul Gandhi has launched a fresh attack against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, accusing him of undermining constitutional values. Gandhi's comments came after the government advertised 45 top bureaucratic positions to be filled through lateral entry on a contract basis. Rahul Gandhi claims that this move favors and recruits that are linked to the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh and is an attempt to bypass the Union Public Service Commission. Gandhi has further alleged that this action is anti-national and is taking away reservation opportunities for the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and the OBCs, leaving them deprived.
हमने बड़ा स्पष्ट तौर पे पहले भी इस पर अपना विरोध दर्ज किया था कि जो संविधान सम्मत आरक्षण है सरकारी नौकरियों में, यूपीएससी आप देते हैं तो पूरा एक आरक्षण की एक सुविधाएं हैं एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी सबके लिए, तो वो सुविधाएं आप नकार के लैटरल एंट्री या डायरेक्ट एंट्री कर रहे हैं। पिछले दरवाजे से आप एक तरह से आरक्षण को ख़त्म कर रहे हैं और संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं। तो जो राहुल गांधी लगातार कहते आए हैं कि 90 सचिवों में से सिर्फ 3 ओबीसी हैं या रिजर्व कैटेगरी के हैं, तो उनकी बात सही थी। और जो हम लगातार चुनाव में भी उठा रहे थे कि साहब ये संविधान बदल देंगे, तो देखिए शुरुआत तो ऐसे ही होती है, बैकडोर से संविधान बदलना शुरू कर दिया है इन्होंने।
And more breaking news coming in. In fact, a response there by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has hit out at the Congress over this entire row over entry matter. It was the UPA government which, in fact, developed the concept of lateral entry. Unquote. My colleague Aman Sharma is with us on the broadcast. Aman, this is technically correct because it was under was given a sort of route in as far as public service is concerned.
Well, Griha, absolutely correct. Lateral entry was a concept first mooted under the UPA government, and the present government has only taken it forward. The controversy that is rising over the lateral entry is that the opposition is saying that the posts that are being filled through lateral entry, there is no provision of reservation in these posts. That is what is not being followed. With the opposition party tweet now saying clearly that there is a transparent method to implement the recommendations which were made regarding lateral entry. Recruitment is done through the UPSC in a very transparent and fair manner. In fact, the government in parliament and also as early as last month has clearly said that, look, these are merit-based positions. These are a single post which is advertised. And presently, the largest ever lateral recruitment of 45 posts in one go is being done. The advertisement got issued a few days back. So reservation is not applicable to such single post appointment. The government informed the parliament just last month. Though eligible candidates from reserved categories are very much considered along with other eligible candidates, obviously the reason through merit because these are single post appointments. That is the government's clear stand. Or when it comes to lateral entry appointment, but obviously politics is raging because the opposition is saying that why is the government not following the reservation policies in these particular appointments?
Also, one of the largest routes that the ad suggests, we are talking about 45 mid-level posts of director, and joint secretary, deputy secretary that has in fact been opened up by the government. What was the provision back then? If we talk about UPA and compare it to what is it now?
The NDA government, Griha, is very clear that under the UPA there was no system. It was an ad hoc system where people were recruited through lateral entry without any proper transparent system. Instead, the government, the Modi government since 2018 started appointing people through lateral entry and entrusted the process to the UPSC, which carries out a very transparent recruitment system. In fact, 63 appointments have been made since 2018 under lateral entry, and 57 of these officers are positioned at the government. Is for 45 posts, it's the largest ever, and government clearly feels the lateral entry has been a big success for it. And given that 57 officers from lateral entry are presently serving government, also entry into government, and so the government, that is why the government is going ahead with this big lateral entry process and recruiting another 45 people from the joint secretary to the director to deputy secretary level post for key areas like climate change, soil conservation. Experts are being hired by the government for this purpose.
Right, Aman, thank you so much for all of those details. So there is going to be a flying of barbs when it is about this fresh controversy, and Congress has already started to accuse and other opposition parties the government of not having enough concerned when it is about lateral entry in public service. Let's take a look at reactions continue to pour in on this story.
तो ये तो मैं 1000 बार कह चुका हूं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी पूरे देश में पिछड़ों का, दलितों का, आदिवासियों का आरक्षण खत्म करना चाहती है। किया जा रहा है भाई, लेटरल एंट्री कहां से आपको सपना आ गया? कैसे आप ये व्यवस्था लेके आ गए? देश के जो आदिवासियों में अधिकार मिला है उसको आप एक नया फॉर्मूला लागू करके खत्म करते हैं।
With that, we are slipping into a very short break. Coming right back with lots more on CNN News 18.